Daniel 420 in here for the historic moment. Hurricane, tropical storm, tropical depression K now rolling into Southern California. What a better time to put the cocos, which are subtropical plants, and get them outside in some of this moisture. The cocos really could use some of this tropical moisture that doesn't ever hit Southern California. We haven't had this type of rain or system hit Southern California, I believe, back into the 1930s. So this is quite an event for Southern California, and I just hope the cocos, because I'm going to be doing some bonsai pruning soon, I hope they enjoy this tropical moisture. I'm excited. I know they are. They deserve some good tropical moisture. We've been blazing hot for 110 degrees for like over 10 days straight. So this is a well-needed drink for my beautiful palms. For Daniel 420. Signing out.